Right then, so recently a friend of mine, Funky Tech, he came across this Heli Tools soldering iron, 12 volt soldering iron, and here it is, states 12 volts, has some interesting instructions on the back about how to solder. So, oops, normally this guy comes with one of these XT60 connectors. I tend to use these, which are sort of standard 12 volt old school RC style connectors. So I've gone ahead and modified this this iron. It's a short cable on it, but modified this iron, put that cable on it, put that connector on the end of it, sorry. We have here the big fat hairy lithium ion pack set up at 12 volts. Let's just check the voltage on that. Use the missile switch, power it on. Let's check the voltage. Make sure she's in voltage, not current. Yeah, we're all good. And the voltage says 12.56 volts. So yeah, we're not doing too bad there. Battery needs replacing in the meter at some point. Okay, so all of that said, let's go ahead and plug this thing in. And there it is, plugged in. Let's turn it on. And let's see if we can solder with this bad boy. First test. Let's just see if it warms up. Yeah, it's getting warm. Yep, definitely getting warm. Ow, 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 ow. Okay, yeah. So good news. Looks like it's getting warm. So we'll just go ahead and see if we can melt some solder. This is horrible solder. I bought this off of eBay, and I think it's the non-lead solder. Yeah, give it a few seconds here, and what we'll do is we'll just see if we can tin these wires. Another little RC style cable that I've made. Right, hopefully by now, yeah, it smells like it's getting warm. Still not there yet. Oh, there we go. There we go, now we're starting. Okay, good news. Alright, so, starting to get pretty warm. Apparently this should be a 30 watt iron. So, that said, let's see how she does. Just tinning these cables up. I'm guessing she's still not up to speed yet. Getting there. Okay, yeah. Well, certainly a functional iron. Sort of does what it says on the tin. Draws it draws a couple of amps or thereabouts. Big old tip, but certainly good enough for car electrics, or if you're out somewhere and you need some soldering done. As I say, this solder is absolutely awful. So yeah, just a basic product review, nothing serious, nothing fancy. Very good. Turn it off. Missile switch in the off position. Ah, absolutely horrible soldering work. But yes, it works, is the answer.